This is the dashboard for Lofty. As you can see here, if you're the admin, you'll see team dashboard and you'll see my dashboard. And you got new leads, opportunities, and tasks. So honestly, the new leads, this is going to trip you up, guaranteed. If you come and you click right here, it literally shows you one lead if you have that for the day, or zero. Looks like all your leads are gone, right? If this happens to you and you can't find all of your leads, look for this filter right here. More than likely, there's a big filter on there. All your leads return, right? The opportunities, this is just anything that's gone up above 70. And what it is an algorithm in the system. Are people opening the emails? Are they searching properties? Are they responding to text messages? Are you logging calls with them? If there's activity, it's going to increase that lead score. Very good for the opportunity. I don't put too much weight on it though, honestly. It's just showing that there's progress and things going on. We've called on 95 lead scores and never been able to get a hold of the person. We've talked to a 35 lead score, got them pre-approved and closed. So you just never know. So don't put too much weight on this, but this is basically showing there's activity going on. So if you have any tasks, you can click on this right here and it will literally just come to the task section. You can come and just boom, 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 click them off. As soon as you do, everything will actually go away and you're good to go with that. So it shows you what's overdue, what's upcoming, things that you have today. This right here is the business goal. I'll show you in another video when I update this so you can see exactly how you set it up and how that works. So check out the business goal section. This is just saying, hey, here's a listing that you got. Here's some cool stuff that you can do. You can create listing videos based off of the pictures. You need to manage the listing. You want to share it. Any of this stuff. It's just real quick. Hot listings, this is basically anything you want to set up. So you can set up these customized if you want. If you have certain neighborhoods, certain zip codes, things like that that you want to be able to check out. Announcements, this is just going to show, tell everybody in there any announcements that you have. I really don't use this tab. As you can see, it doesn't really do a whole lot for me. Everything else is just data. So property alerts, this is how many were sent, open, and clicked on for yesterday. The rest of this stuff is just saying, hey, this is how many emails that you've sent out. If you have a dialer, this is what's going on. And then promotional stuff. So that's pretty much the dashboard. Very self-explanatory, very easy to see. Everything along the top is broken down in this course all the way through each section. So if you see the people section, this is going to break all that down. Transactions, calendar, and such all the way through, okay? Last thing is this upper section here. So if you need to search for a lead or anything like that, you can literally just come up here and type it in. Name, phone, email, property note, anything like that, it'll pull it up. This right here, this little filing cabinet, is basically all your communication coming in the system. It'll show your emails, text messages, incoming calls, anything that's associated with communication. If somebody's replying to text messages, emails, whatever, right? All of it. It's all going to be right there. This right here, this little money sign, this is just showing you opportunities. So same thing as this right here. This just allows you to get to the opportunities without being inside the people's tab or wherever you are. You can just quickly go to it. These are notifications. As you can see here, these are just straight leads that come in. The at me, I'll show you what that looks like inside the people section when you're adding notes and whatnot. Basically, it's if somebody's calling you out in the system saying, hey, like a lot of times it's for lenders. So like I could tag my lender by saying at my lender's name and say, hey, this person needs to get pre-approved, hit them up. So that's what that's all about. This right here is just anything that comes through, showing, so communications, showings, transactions, tasks, AI, anything that's going on. So like the AI, if somebody's talking to them, any actions that's going on, settings, all of it. So it's just everything real quick. And then your picture, this is one where you can just go to your profile if you need to change any billing stuff, update the system, or your referral link if you want to send it for somebody to sign up for Lofty. They'll give you some credit on that. So other than that, that is the dashboard. Make sure to check out each individual section so that you know exactly what's going on and how to use it.